Ni Minista wa githomo Amina Mohamed uria ugwikinyitie mwena wa Garissa kunyabara igeranio cia KCSE iria ithiete na mbere guothe bururi-ini. Amina nioritie arutwo mathingate bata wa igeranio iria mareka hamwe na guthingata uigiririki.
I look at you and I just see the future of our country. I see the future of a country that's bright, that is determined, that is committed, that has a lot of energy, that is very creative. Yeah? And so we are waiting for you. The good story is that you have finished most of your schooling. When you get to Form 4, you have done most of your schooling, right?
Nake mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang hari mwena wa thika ni augite hari bata a Kenya kugiaga na wihokeku na arugamiria igeranio ici iri ta njira ya kunyihanyihia garama nene iria thirikari ikoretwo ikihuthira.
We shall not be requiring all the work that we are doing today to deliver examinations. We would want to see that situation where we teach our children for the number of years that we teach them, be it 8 years or 4 years, and that just like we go to a classroom without anybody having to take us to a classroom.
Kipsang yaugite uici wa igeranio ni uthiete na mbere na kunyihanyiha giki ari kionereria ati wirutiri wa thirikari wa kuhurana na uici wa igeranio ici ni uthiete na mbere na guciara matunda.
The way we handled our KCP was more relaxed than ever before. There were not so much people trying to do anything that is not expected of them. And we see it in another 1 or 2 years. For sure, this exercise will just be like any other exercise, that we are assessing our children and that assessment is not a life and death.
No na kuri uguo, Kipsang ni oritie aciari na arutani matigage kugia na matanya mari iguru muno na gutindikiriria ciana kiugo niguo cungagiriria uici wa igeranio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.